Keep the perimeter secure. Roger that. Check the manifest.
Green light on the schematics? Confirmed. Secure the primary feed. Diagnostics. Test sequence active. Readings are stable. Ready. Unit is secure. Confirmed. Ready for deployment.
Watch with the others. Checking the serial number against the plan.
Analyzing surface integrity. Serial number double check. Passed. Unit 004551 cleared for deployment. The thermal signature seems to be stable now. Check the phase modulation. Initiating simulation. Confirm stability. Solid. Optimized. The seal is certified.
Move to the next sequence.
Affirmative. Status check. Systems are green. Commencing next phase. Adjusting tolerance limits. Robotics engaged. Proceeding to Station 4. Sample 2342 verified. Proceeding to data logging. Status is green on the pin alignment, locking into Stage 5. Confirmed. Hold still. Clear and armed. Move it to the chamber.
Status, final inspection. Unit CHG 001. Pre-deployment scan active. Scan complete. Warning.
Complete. Safety protocol initiated. Status, secured. Unit is green. Latch the container.
Detonation successful. Data acquisition complete.
Status report, now. Preparing to terminate. Do it. Pressure spike critical. Detonate. Detonating. Confirmed detonation. Successful containment. The breach force was precisely as calculated. Look at the stress field here. The material integrity failed faster than expected. Yes.
Breach C1A successful. M2 is compromised. Good strike. Analyzing structural integrity now. Set. You guard some. Good. Ready. Move back. Breach. Set it. Copy. Breaching charge deployed. Clear. 5 seconds. Move back. Back and ready. 3, 2, 1. Fire. Moving. On me. Check your corners.
The peak pressure was significantly higher here. Did the fragmentation velocity meet parameters? Partially, we need to adjust the placement on the next test. What's the timeline for that?
Breach. Go, go. Clear. Entry clear. Move up. Roger. Searching left.
Inventory looks complete. Everything is ready. Roger that. Status secure. Green case, check.
Got it.
Setting these aside. Affirmative.
Yeah.
Loading the block. Handling the C4. Ready for loading. Confirmed. Loading now. Secure. Move out. The simulation shows acceptable overpressures. Adjusted the variables. It's within tolerance. Green. Stand by. Copy. 3, 2, 1.
Fire in the hole. Push through. Let's go. Breach clear. Moving in. Stack up. Clear right. Copy. Breach is set. Sending it. Go, 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 go. Sector clear. Sector clear. Moving in. Covered. Green. Set. Check. Copy that. Move in. Moving. Clear.
Initiating sequence now. 3, 2, 1, deploy. Charge successful, team moving in. Readings confirm entry, proceed with search pattern.
Breach point alpha set. Roger, detonate on my mark.
Marking. Engage. Detonation.
Move in. Secondary door, checking. Clear. Clear. Move in. Go, go, go. Check the far wall.
The peak performance data is well within parameters.
Okay.
Outstanding results. Ready to conform the final metrics.
Breach ready. Breach go. Breach now. Clear. Moving up.
Clear, moving.
Copy. Hold there.
Okay, that's seated. Okay. Running diagnostics. Parameters look good. Timer is set. Double checking the fuses.
Copy.
Stand by for final check. Charge set. Got it. Fall back.
Breach! Go! Clearance left. Move! Contact front. Breach set. Stand by. Detonating. Go, go, go! Clear the room! Move up!
Breach clear. Pushing in. Watch the upper levels. Sector 5 secure.
Breach set! Detonating now! Move it, move it!
Optimize phase flux capacitor on penetrator. Copy that. Adjusting parameters. Plasma jet looks stable at 50% capacity. Initiate systems check, ready for test fire 1.
Breach secured. Move in. Check your sectors. Status green. Keep pushing.
Initiating sequence now. Breach successful. Structural integrity failing. Data logged. Outstanding results.
Initiating arming sequence. Confirmed. Stand by. 3, 2, 1, fire.
Breach successful. Analyzing post-detonation data. Temperature and displacement in optimal ranges. Confirming objective reached. Good copy. Proceed with next phase. Status check. Chimera payload stable. Copy that. Moving to engagement.
Secure the perimeter. Get those charges loaded. Go!
Breach site secure. Confirming arming sequence. Initiation key verified. Path clear. T-3. Breach. Solid hit. Breach successful. Proceed. Breach successful. Analyzing structural integrity now. Clear on structural. Proceed to objective. Targets confirmed. Engaged.